See, there's camping down in there too.
Ready for a road trip? Beep, beep, Let's go. Well, howdy, y'all. We're finally going into Montana. Here we are at Salmon Chalice, and we're looking for another hot spring. You guessed it.
It is surely autumn here, but it's hard to tell because there's so much evergreen. This is the Elk Creek coming off of the Salmon River. This is a beautiful place to kayak. See, there's camping down in there too, and there's a road that goes out. People fishing up there.
Today, I'm so excited because we're heading into Montana, and I get to connect with my son, Robbie, and my sister and my niece are flying in to Montana from New Jersey. So here we are, so exciting, on the state line right here.
Look at those colors.
Roar! Yay, here we are. This is Robbie and my niece Madison. And here's the whole crew with Patty and me. We're having a bite to eat and a drink. This is my sweet son, Rob. And we're moving Robbie into his little home apartment today. Here's me with my niece Madison. And this is my sister Patty. And since we're VIPs, we get the full tour of his work here at Paws Up. A really beautiful and elegant resort out in the wilds of Montana. There's a lot to do.
I go through that gate.
Oh, nice.
Wow.
Yep. So that's the green L.
Just in time to watch the spectacular sunset going down over those mountains there.
Everything's winterized.
One of the coolers is a smoker. Top, and then this was all the live fire.
Wow, live fire. That would kind
New items. Let me do like some really good tacos at night.
Hmm?
Yep.
of nice tacos. Yum yum.
And then like this would be the expo, so I used to expo from here. And the
Oh,
bars
So
in there.
this stuff would be
bars
moved,
over there.
Yeah. It would
Yeah,
have,
yeah.
There used to be stuff here.
so you could serve people here. and stuff. Yeah.
Wow,
Like a chef's table there.
it's nice to see where you work.
Well, that's all we have time for tonight. And stay tuned for when I get together with the rest of my family for the untimely death of my Papa Tim in Kalispell, Montana. Thanks for hanging with me and meeting my family. God bless y'all.